Hi, everyone at .NET Conf. I'm here again with yet another student who has a really interesting project to show us. This time, this project has been built with ASP.NET Core and some stuff from Azure. So before we start talking about it too much, Ahmet, why don't you introduce yourself a little bit to everyone?
Hello, my name is Ahmet, and I'm from Belgium, Charleroi. I'm in my third year of studies towards a bachelor in IT management in HPH Condorcet.
Nice. And now, why don't you tell us a little bit about what your project does and what did it take for you to build it?
So the idea of our project is a lead sharing network in the IT field in order to make available to the others all the missions or clients or offers that we don't need or we don't have the time or skills to accomplish it. So if we look at our website, it's just simply 3 steps. We just have to register, navigate to the agenda, and pick a mission or lead. If we go to the agenda, we can already see all the leads that are available and that have been shared by the network, by the community. So this project looks cool, and I will try to pick it. So I will simply log in. And I will go to the agenda. I will look at this lead, and I will read the description, and I will pick it. So if I now go to my profile, I will be able to see this mission, and I can be able to contact this person later on in order to have more information about this mission. The idea of our project is also to share missions with others. For example, I can add a mission. A client, for example, asks me to do something, but I don't have the time or the skills to do it. So I will share this lead to the community. For example, this is a Ruby on Rails mission based in Brussels. It's a very cool project, and they just have to contact me in order to have more information. Yeah. And it's needed like next week. And I will simply add it to the agenda. And if I go now to the agenda, I will be able to see this lead in the agenda, and the others will be able to pick it. So that's our project.
Nice. So just to summarize really quickly, let's say I had a job to do or a task to take care of, or maybe some client work I needed to get done, and I didn't have time to do it. I didn't have the skill set to do it, or I didn't even know how to approach it at all. I could put it up on the board, and someone can come and register for it, and then now they can help me work through it, and we could talk about how that gets done, right?
Yeah, that's the idea of our project.
Nice. And then you also mentioned you're using ASP.NET Core, but I'm guessing you're also using Azure and some other technologies there as well.
Yeah, we used Azure for the deployment because it was really easy for us to deploy with it. We also used Azure DevOps for the GitHub part, and we were also able to work in an agile environment with Azure DevOps, which was also really cool. Apart from the fact that it was a school project, this technology, ASP.NET Core, is very mature, and it has a helpful IDE with Visual Studio. It has deployment features, and also a lot of design patterns that has been created by the community, and which is really cool.
Nice. Well, thank you so much for sharing your project. I know a lot of folks that are going to be happy to see that you're using Azure DevOps as well and some stuff in Azure to deploy that. So I hope you have a lot of success with your project. I hope your team keeps working on it and adds new features to it. And for all of you that are watching, thank you so much for joining us. I hope you enjoy the rest of .NET Conf, and stay tuned because we may have some more students with some more interesting projects that we could show you.